How does one modernise a heritage building without losing its soul? Ornate buildings like the iconic premium office tower of 333 Collins Street in the heart of Melbourne CBD are architectural treasures, and refurbishing them presents unique challenges. For the property manager JLL and architect Alex from Fora, capturing the intricate details of the existing structure was crucial to preserving its heritage, and that created a problem, because accurate existing condition measurements were simply non-existent. Traditional 2D survey methods would not be able to capture all the detail required, measuring in person was unsafe and costly, especially for features like the 30-metre high internal dome, and capturing the huge floor space of over 25,000 square metres spanning multiple levels would have simply taken too long. Architects and engineers rely on BIM, but creating an adequate model from scratch was too expensive and time-consuming for the architect to manage alone. That's where LARKI stepped in. Using the Leica RTC 3D laser scanner, we precisely scanned the interior and exterior, generating comprehensive, highly accurate measurements of all the needed areas. And from that 3D scan data, we derived accurate BIM models and floor plans, which are absolutely essential for architects and engineers to complete the design. LARKI's digital twin platform made all of this data instantly accessible to remote teams. 3D point clouds, 360-degree photos, 3D mesh and BIM models, viewable in a web browser with no special software needed. Our platform also provided access to aerial 3D point clouds and 3D photo mesh for city block assessments like view lines and shadows, streetscape 3D point clouds, which are an affordable way to capture streetscape elevations for signage and buildability assessments, 360-degree photo virtual tours with point cloud integration, enabling precise measurements in photorealistic virtual environments, 2D maps with aerial imagery, and file storage for seamless collaboration. The benefits were obvious: faster workflows, reduced risks, and a streamlined approval process, which were crucial for the global team to avoid costly delays, improve safety, and of course, preserve the building's heritage. Are you planning a heritage building upgrade? Do it the right way. Contact LARKI for industry-leading 3D scanning solutions.